Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to let you know the types of credit cards Morgan Stanley offers. So there are different types of credit card that they offer. So I'm going to list out one after the another. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first of all, go to open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in apply.americanexpress.com. That is going to take you to the official page. So the Morgan Stanley client with an eligible brokerage account can apply for the Platinum card from American Express exclusively and Morgan Stanley Blue Cash preferred card. Now, E-Trade client with an eligible broker account can apply for the Morgan Stanley Blue Cash card preferred, etc. So while you're on this page, you'll be able to see the list of credit cards that you can go ahead and apply for as a Morgan Stanley user. So here you can see you could go ahead and apply for the mix, that is Morgan Stanley Blue Cash Preferred American Express card. Apart from it, you could also go ahead and apply for the Platinum card from American Express exclusively from Morgan Stanley. So these are the types of card that Morgan Stanley offers. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.